A few weeks ago, I shared a video called 15 Genius Ways to Make Money with ChatGPT, and it got lots of views for my small channel anyway. I'll link that video on the screen here somewhere if you'd like to check it out after this video. Anyway, so I started getting loads of comments from people asking for more business ideas using ChatGPT and AI tools in general. So I thought, right, I need to come up with an even better list of ideas now. So I've been working away on these ideas for a few weeks, and honestly, I think I've got 7 ideas for you that will blow your mind and get you excited to start making money with AI ASAP. And I'm gonna give you great news and preface this by saying that none of these ideas include offering copywriting or YouTube scripting services, because I know these ideas have been talked about a lot already and we've all kind of had enough of them and want to move on to new things. With that said, I'm not one for long waffly intros, so let's just get straight into the good stuff. Here's idea number 1. Create and sell greeting cards. Now, I know you're probably thinking, really, Jess, greeting cards? But here's the incredible thing. This is a $1 million idea. And here's the proof. This shop on Etsy sells greeting card bundles costing between $20 and $40 each. And they have made over 37,000 sales. That's a total revenue of 1.1 million, over 1.1 million. Now, you don't have to be an artist, a graphic designer, or even the least bit creative to pull this off. You just need the right AI tools. First, you can use ChatGPT to brainstorm endless greeting card ideas that you can create and sell, and make a plan of all the types of designs, styles, niches, and occasions, and more. Next, you can use a combination of AI image generators like Midjourney or DALL-E or Stable Diffusion. I've mostly used Midjourney, which costs around $10 per month for 200 images. Next, you're gonna need to upscale your images so that they are print quality, and you can do this using a free AI image enhancer like this Remini app. Finally, you just need to find an online printing service. There are loads of these, so do your research and find the best partner for you to work with. If there are printing shops in your local area, it would be worth going in and asking about their prices too. When you've got the products in hand, you can sell them on marketplaces like Etsy or Zazzle, and once a design is created, you can sell that design over and over again. Now, here are some tips to help you really supercharge this idea. First of all, make sure to do some market research to find styles of cards that both sell well and that you're interested in creating. Of course, ChatGPT can help you to come up with ideas, but it's really important to also do your market research to understand what sells well before you spend money printing out cards. Second tip, try this prompt and tweak it to make it your own. Greeting card image of detailed subject, beautiful art, white background, minimalist, warm, loving. Or this one, birthday card image of detailed subject, fun, happy, celebration, minimalist. Next, list them for sale with a nice description, of course written by ChatGPT, and then just repeat the process. Idea number 2 is to create specialized apps that get traffic. Just think how many times you've searched for an image converter or an image compressor or a QR code generator, for example. Simple online apps like QR code generators, logo generators, password generators, business name generators, file conversion sites. These kind of websites get millions of searches monthly. These apps can be completely coded using ChatGPT, placed on a website, and then monetized through Google AdSense or affiliate products. Here's how to go about making this happen. First, use a search engine traffic analyzer like SEMrush. This will help you to determine which online generators have a decent combination of low competition and high search traffic. Then hop into ChatGPT and ask it to code the generator. Place this on a website and create additional content on the same website related to the generator and to the topic. Just think what people who search for an image compressor, for example, might be interested in. I imagine they could be bloggers, so any content and affiliate marketing related to that topic would resonate with them. Once you get this all set up, repeat, test, and tweak until it becomes a working income stream for you. Idea number 3 is shadow tweeting. This is where you write tweets on behalf of other people. People pay big bucks for this service, and with a combination of AI and prompt engineering, and if you want to learn more about prompt engineering, I'll link a video I created around it somewhere here on the screen, and some ingenuity on your part, you can summarize literally anything into tweet format. Start off by spending a few days getting really good at this. Figure out what works best on Twitter, take your best generated tweets and try to give them away to a Twitter influencer for free. Once you've landed one or a few creators on Twitter for free, Simply ask for testimonials in exchange for the service and then use those testimonials to get paid customers. Idea number 4 is selling design packages for branding. So let's say, for example, a business is looking for icons in this low poly style. For $2, you can buy the Midjourney prompt for exactly that and make any icon your client needs. You can literally design anything the client wants, and people are currently paying $10 to $150 for this exact service. And instead of offering it as a service, you can also create graphic bundles where you create a pack of different graphics in one style and sell them on a website like Etsy. These bundles sell really well because people are always looking for graphics to use in their business or for their print on demand and so on. Now, before we jump into idea number 5, if you're enjoying this video and you'd like to see more of them, I would love it if you hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Okay, on to idea number 5, which is email automation. And I'm going to let this guy I saw on TikTok explain it before I do.
This is how I'm using AI to answer all my emails from clients and manage my relationships. Anytime that a client emails me, it will trigger a Zapier workflow that will send a specific prompt to OpenAI, generate an email response, and then send it right back to that client in just 5 minutes. Make sure that the prompt to the AI is extremely clear and concise because we are dealing with client relationships. Structure this prompt exactly as you would want an email to your client. For example, I'm including my booking link. I told it not to make any promises, but ensure I'll work quickly to fulfill any requests. Told it to sound professional and personable and sound like it was written by a human. Well, what happens if it's a more serious subject matter that needs to be discussed? I went ahead and tested it. I sent myself a concerning email about canceling my software subscription and that I needed help with the CRM or else it simply wouldn't work for me anymore. The response that it gave me addressed the topic at hand. It was personable, professional, and even asked me to book a virtual meeting to go further into the topic at hand. This is crazy. Now imagine that you set this up for every single one of your clients and responses are simply on autopilot. This replaces any virtual assistant or an hour's worth of your time every day.
Now this could be done at your own job or business or sold as a service you manage for others. With a combination of ChatGPT and Zapier, which is a tool that helps you automate workflows online without coding, you can have AI services read emails, come up with a high-quality response, and send email all without you lifting a finger. With this, I would really recommend testing and tweaking on an email address that isn't associated with anything important, just until you get your prompts really dialed in. For selling this service, I would recommend targeting people or businesses that get a really high volume of emails and want to find a cheaper alternative to hiring an assistant for inbox management. For example, influencers have flooded inboxes that no one person could ever attend to completely. This workflow can sort and facilitate the entire inbox for you. Once you get the system up and running, you can charge a monthly fee to monitor, tweak, and improve the service. Idea number 6 is to create and sell coloring books. There are endless coloring book styles that you can create for both children and adults, and these sell unbelievably well. I would start by doing some market research to find coloring book styles and ideas that sell really well. And then once you're set on the idea, you can use a combination of AI image creation sites like Midjourney, DALL-E, or Stable Diffusion to create the pages, or you can buy some coloring book prompts from PromptBase to make this unbelievably easy. You can create the cover using, again, Midjourney, DALL-E, or Stable Diffusion, and use Canva to put everything together into a document. When it's done, you can sell it on Amazon KDP, where you simply upload your design and Amazon prints, ships, and fulfills your orders, so you don't need to do anything. You just receive a small commission from each sale that you make. And the last idea, idea number 7, is creating and selling digital pet images. Now, we all know people are crazy about their pets and they will pay good money to look at them in slightly different ways or have different memorabilia of them. Similar to what the wildly successful Lensa did for profile pictures, you can do this with pets. With the power of AI image generators, you can take pictures of people's pets and recreate them in literally any artistic style you like. You can even turn this into an app. Charge $10 a pop, and you could make the next $10 million with AI like Lensa did. Here's a cat as a low poly figurine, as well as him aboard a spaceship. That's all the ideas I have for you today. Let me know in the comments which one was your favorite, and if you'd like more of these ideas, let me know also in the comments, and I will see you in the next one.